big dick, I think his name Dennis. I jerk his dick till that nigga finish, and his dick making green, it tastes just like spinach. Dudes, I love when they send me all the news. I had to make him nut cause his balls were blue. He didn't have a clue. He sliding in and out my ass like he's cleaning up gutter. Dick bigger than a dick of butter. Saw his dick swinging up in the motherfucking hallway. He like me and my friends cause we're all gay. We like dick, and I like his ass cause it's thick. And he gon' fuck my butt till I shit and his dick was dropped on my stick on the tip. 4 big guys, and they bust on my eyes. They eat my ass just like apple pie. If they keep fucking me like this, I might just die. They pop my booty till I cry. He licked my dick and the cum start dripping. I took a bite of his ass, it tastes like lemon pepper chicken. He throw me up in the air, my booty flipping. He ducking his balls in my booty like he's Scottie Pippen. Met the nigga last night, then I rolled his dick like a bite. He's so thick, he looks like the dyke, but that's okay, cause I think his name Mike Jordan. He fucked me while recording. He sent me butt pics this morning. Hands down the greatest nudes I've received. I love when I receive 3 big balls. Look like we playing tennis. He got a big dick, I think his name Dennis. I jerk his dick till that nigga finish, and his dick making green, it tastes just like spinach. Dudes, I love when they send me all the news. I had to make him nut cause his balls were blue. He didn't have a clue.
I can't fucking react, otherwise I'm gonna cough so much.
I just beat it. I just beat it. I just fucking beat it. Let's go. Hold up. Woo. Oh my god. What the fuck? Wait, I actually just fucking beat it. What? What the fuck?